Good morning children, I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing surface areas and volumes, chapter 13, already we had started last day. Cube and cuboid, the surface area of cube and cuboid we had seen. And few examples also were solved and it was told to start 13.1, exercise 13.1, I hope you must have started. So let's see, today in this class we are going to take few questions from surface area of a cuboid and cube for exercise 13.1. Here we have first question. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. The cost of sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs rupees 20. So here you see what has been given. Plastic box is required to be made. Suppose your figure will be in this way. In this way, you will be having figure. Here you see, it has been given a plastic box 1.5 meter long. Suppose this is 1.5 meter, wide 1.2 meter, suppose this is 1.1 meter, and height of this box is 65 centimeter. 65 centimeter, it means 0.65 meter. That you need to know, 65 centimeter deep, so this will be 0.65 meter. This has been given and it is open at the top. At the top it is open, so that is not required to be taken. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. So as we know, surface area of a cuboid is equal to what? Already it was told, 2L into B plus B into H plus L into H. But here in this condition, if suppose this is L, this is B and this is H, in this condition top is not required to be taken. Top is not required to be taken means what? L into B what you will be having? Here also L into B you will have. So 1 L into B you don't have to take. So keeping that in mind, surface area we need to find out. So here you will write length is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth is equal to 1.25 meter and height or its depth, whatever you write, depth has been given, that is 65 centimeter, it means 0.65 meter it has been given. Now the area of the sheet required for making the box, the area of the sheet required for making making the box will be what? 2 into L into B. Here it will be L into B you leave, because L into B you have one time only. So rest of the things you write B into H plus L into H, and one time only L into B you will be having, because this top is going to be open. So in top we will not take one this in L into B only we will take. L into B, this portion and this portion, two portions you have. So one L into B we will take, one we will not take, and 4 walls we will take, and floor. So this will be 2BH plus LH and plus L into B. Here you just put the value and find out. If you are putting value here, you will be having 2 into B into H. B into H is equal to 1.25 into 0.65. 1.25 into 0.65 plus L into H. L into H will be your L is 1.5 into H. H is equal to 0.65. And in plus L into B. L into B is equal to 1.5 into 1.25. This you need to simplify. Here you can see 0.65 is common. So 0.65 can be taken out common. So this can be written as 2 into 0.65, and then you will be having 1.25 and 1.5. 1.25 plus 0.2. 1.25 plus 1.5. 1.5 and plus we will be having 1.5 into 1.25. 1.5 into 1.25. So this you multiply, 2 5 10, 2 6 12 and 1 13. Decimal you will be having over here. Into this you add, this you will be having 5 and then 2 and 5 7, and this is 2.75, and then plus this you need to multiply 1.25 into 1.5. 15 5 75, 15 2 30 and 7 37, and 15 1 15 and 3 18. Your decimal will be over here 1.875. So this will be 1.875. Here you need to multiply this 2.75 into 1.3. So 13 5 65 and 13 7 91 and 6 97. 9 will be having 13 2 26 and 9 35. And your decimal will be over here 3.575. So this will be 3.575 plus 1.875. If we are adding this, what will get? 5 and 5 10, 7 and 7 14 and 1 15, 8 and 5 13 and 1 14. 1 you are having, 1 and 3 will be 4 and 1 5. 5.45. So this will be 5.45 meter square. So surface area you have got. Surface area for the box you have got, and the area of the sheet required also you have got, except this portion, because top is required to be kept open. So first part we have completed. Second is the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter costs rupees 20, here you write 1 meter square costs rupees 20, and therefore the cost of 5.45 meters square will be 5.45 into 20. You multiply this 0 0, 2 5 10, 1 will be having 2 4 8 and 1 9, 2 5 10. Decimal will be here. It means rupees 109, and this will be your answer. So answer you have got 5.45 meters square and rupees 109. These both will be your answer. So if similar question will be there, you should be solve. You should be able to solve in this way. Next question we will see. Here you have the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50. So same type of figure will be required to be made. Suppose this is your room. This is your room. And this is your floor. This part is your floor. This is your ceiling and 4 walls you have. So when you are doing whitewash, floor will be required to be kept separate, because floor will not be required to be whitewashed. So the length, breadth and height has been given. Length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter, and this is 3 meter. Height is 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50. So again, what we need to find out? Surface area of 4 wall and ceiling. So we will write surface area of 4 walls and ceiling will be equal to, just you see, what we will write? 2 into BH plus LH plus LB, because only one portion of LB we will take. This is L, this is B. Ceiling we are taking, and this is the formula for 4 walls. So or you can write 2H B plus L plus L into B. So now you put the value. It has been given L is equal to 4 meter, B is equal to L is equal to 5 meter, B is equal to 4 meter, and H is equal to 3 meter. Just you put the value. So this will be 2 into H is equal to 3, and B is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 5 into 4, L into B. Now this will be 2 3 is 6, 4 plus 5 9 and plus 20. It means 54 plus 20, and this will be 74 meter square. 74 meter square you have got surface area or area which is required to be whitewashed. Now you need to find out total cost at rate rupees 7.50 per meter square. You write since for whitewashing the cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 7.50. Therefore, total cost for area, how much? 74 meter square. For 74 meter square will be 74 into 7.50. This is required to be multiplied. So 75, 7.50 and 74. 4 0 0, 4 5 20, 4 7 28 and 2, 30, 7 0 0, 7 5 35, 7 7 49 and 3 52. 0 0 5 5 and 5. Decimal you will be having here. So this you will get 555 rupees. So here you write that will be rupees 555 rupees, and this will be your answer. Next question is here you have the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. Floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000 rupees, find the height of the hall. Same type of figure is required to be made. Suppose this is your hall. This is your hall, and perimeter has been given. Perimeter means the sum of these 4 sides. It means L into 2L into 2 into L plus B has been given. So we will write, suppose this is L, this is B, and this is H. So we will write, it is given that 2 into L plus B, this perimeter, that is perimeter, and that is equal to 250 meter. So L plus B will be what? 250 by 2. It means 125 meter. This L plus B we have got. L plus B has been given. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000 rupees. So here you see surface area of 4 walls, as we know the formula, is what? 2h L plus B. 2h L plus B. So it means what? 2h L plus B we have got 125. So this is 125. It means 250 H. This is your total surface area where you need to whitewash, or area 4 wall you have got. Here it has been given if the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10. So cost for painting of 4 walls at rate rupees 10 per meter square will be 10 into 250h. Total area is what? Where it is required to be painted, 250h, and 1 meter square it costs 10 rupees. So total cost will be 10 into 250h. It means 2,500h rupees. This much cost is there, and that has been given 15,000. So this is, you will write, therefore, or hence 2,500h will be equal to 15,000 rupees. Therefore, h will be equal to 15,000 and divided by 2,500. 0 got cancelled, and 25 6 is 150. H is equal to 6 meter. Height you have got 6 meter. So you have to find out height of the hall, and you have got 6 meter, and that will be your answer. You write height, hence height of the hall is equal to 6 meter, and that is your answer. Next question we will see. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So container's shape has not been given, area only has been given. This much area can be painted, and dimension of brick has been given. Suppose one brick you are having in this shape, which is having dimensions. You see, this is 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 7.5 centimeter. Length, breadth, and height. This is height. This has been given. So the area which is going to be painted, total area, how much area? 9.375 meters square can be painted. So we need to find out how many bricks will be required. How many bricks will be required? So number of bricks you can write directly. Number of bricks is equal to total area. Total area has been given where it will be required to be painted, or where this much area in container, whichever container you have. This suppose this type of container you have, and here you have paint. So from this container, which means the volume of paint is there, this much means this much area can be painted. 9.375 meters square area can be painted from the paint which is there in container. So total area divided by area of one brick. So here you will write total area you have. So total area, it has been given 9.375 meter square, so that is required to be converted into centimeter square. So this will be 100 into 100 divided by area of one brick. In surface area of one brick will be 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H. So this will be 9.375 into 100 into 100. If you are you are solving, you will get, if you are multiplying, here you see 4 zeros we have, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros we have. So this can be written as 93750 and divided by 2 into, here you have, this value can be put 10 into or L into B. L into B means 22.5 into 10 plus L into H. L into H 22.5 into H 7.5 and plus B into H means 10 into 7.5. So this you simplify, just if you are simplifying, what will be 93750. This will be 93750 divided by 2 into what we have, 22.5 into 10 means 225. This will be 225 plus we have 22.5 into 7.5. 22.5 into 7.5. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 and 2 12, 5 2 is 10 and 1 11, 7 5 is 35, 7 2 is 14 and 3 17, 7 2 is 14 and 1 16. This will be 5 7 8 7 1. Your decimal will be over here 178.75 and plus you will be having last 7.5 into 10 or 10 into 7.5 means this will be 75. So again 93750 divided by 2 into this we need to add. This will be 0.75 and here you will be having 5 and 8. 13 and 5 18. 1 you have 8 and 7 15 and 2 17. 1 you have, so 2 and 3 4. This much, this you multiply 93750 divided by 2 5 is 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14 and 1 15 point, 2 8 is 16 and 1 17 and then you will be having 2 7 is 14 and 1 2 8 is 16 17 1 you have 2 7 is 14 and 1 15 2 4 is 8 and 1 9 9 5 750. Here we have 22.5 into 7.5. 22.5 into 7.5. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10 and 2 12. 5 2 is 10 and 1 11. 7 5 is 35. 3 you have. 7 2 is 14 and 3 17. 7 2 is 14 and 1 15. 7 2 is 14 and 1 15. 5 7 8 6 1 16875. So here decimal you will be having 168.75 plus we have 7.5 into 10 means 75. So we will be having 93750 divided by 2 into this is required to be added. So 0.75 you have, 5 and 8 13 and 5 18. 1 you have 8 and 6 14 and 2 16. 1 you have, so this will be 2 and 3 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 4. Just you multiply this. 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14 and 1 15. 2 8 is 16 and 1 17. 2 6 is 12 and 1 13. 2 4 is 8 and 1 9. So we have got 937.50. So this will be 93750 divided by 937.50. It means 93750 into 100 divided by 93750. So this will be cancelled and you will be left with 100. So your answer will be hence the number of bricks will be 100 and this will be your answer. So I hope you have understood up to here. So up to question number 4 we have done and these 4 questions are there. Just you try, otherwise you will see next class. Until then, thank you.